Right, so let's buy this cup. I actually quite like this, actually. It looks all right. Yeah, ironically, it becomes my best-selling item. So we're going to buy the cup, right? So obviously, anybody comes to your shop, it might not show on that. Oh, it might not show on that original page. Let's have a look at it. I don't know, it'll show. So here it is, in the hats and the cups section. Cups, Happy Me mug, and I'm just going to add it to cart, right? So obviously, any information. This is how much it weighs. The weight will dictate your shipping pricing if that's what you're going to choose to use. They can quickly pay, but I'm going to proceed to checkout here. And I'm going to add my Happy Me discount code just to zero it out. So there's tax on top of that as well. You can use a Happy Me discount code on my website if you want. I'm not going to send anything to you though. So I'm just going to fill out this information and then jump past it because I don't... Alright, I don't care if you know my email address. Shipping, first name, Paul Nicholson, Happy Me Limited. Obviously, your customers don't have to put in a company. Raymond Road, Doncaster. This is not my address. It's close, but it's not me. Phone number is optional. Continue to shipping. I offer free shipping because, as I say, I add the shipping to the price. Continue. Nothing to pay, and your order is away, right? Let me just see what emails are going to come. Oh, what's new on Netflix? Let me just turn this up. Sorry. I've got to finish here. Payment, nothing to pay. Select the address. So the billing address matches the card. Save information if you want a review order. And everything is straight. Complete order, right? Here comes the emails. There's your confirmation. There's a map to say that's where you are. Here's your mug. So that's your Shopify. Order is done. Customer has placed order. Right. So I've got some emails. Paul placed a new order. So this is me as the owner of the platform, the shop. This is what you get. One new mug, view order, and the customer gets this. Thank you for your purchase. Hi Paul, we're getting your order shipped. We'll notify you when it has been sent, right? So here's the order. Here is the item information, as everything we've got is what they've paid. Any comments, you can put free to new student, whatever it might be. Add some information, and then you can request fulfillment, which will send it to Printful. Now, if you've got this automated, it would have already done it, so I'm going to request Printful, and then Printful's going to set up the tracking number and the shipping, and it's going to contact my customer for me. I may try and show you in an actual live scenario, because one of the Happy Me visors, this actually landed. Somebody got one of those in Canada yesterday, and I may show you the whole process for that. I may. Now, where am I gone? Where was I? Thank you for your order. Let's close this. Let's close this. Close this. That's what I'm doing. Right, so now I want to go to Printful, and it will... I don't know, sometimes it takes maybe 5 minutes. Sometimes it can take 20 minutes plus to come through. But if I go to the warehouse, I can see orders. And there it is, right? So it needs approval. Did I get an email? No. I will get an email saying you've got a new order in Printful. You need to approve it, right? So what I would do then, and this part you can automate as well, I would check the address. I would check the information. It's going to cost, this is how much it's going to cost. $13.59, right? That's how much it's going to send. Complete your order. 11-ounce order, create as draft via Shopify. So it came via my Shopify. Due to automatic fulfill disabled, right? So that's what it is. So I'm going to look at this and I'm going to complete the order. I may as well buy it, innit? Complete the order. I can review the print file. I can make sure it's all okay. It's going to cost me $7.67, right? Then I'm going to pick the shipping. So because I choose the shipping, not the customer, product's going to ship out of, shipping address is correct, phone number, and then a shipping method. Standard, 366, or a flat rate. Orders with flat rates select with ship will the least expensive shipping method, which is ironic because it's more expensive. So I know it's going to charge me $3.66 plus the VAT, because I'm VAT registered. I think the VAT should knock off of me. Right, I'm happy with that. Complete to review. Riga. So this one's going to ship out of Riga. It comes out of Latvia. It's going to go to this address and it's going to ship 3 to 5 days after fulfillment, which will probably take 2, maybe 3 days to fulfill, and then it'll do. So I'll complete it because I quite like that cup actually, and I can give it to my nephew. My nephew likes England stuff. So waiting to fulfill. So now what will happen is the fulfillment team will print off that cup and then send it. When they send it, they will change the status to fulfilled, that it's been sent. They will give it a tracking number. So when I go back here to my orders, Printful will print off this cup, and they will automatically message the customer and say your item is on its way, and it will it will update the tracking number and the information of to who's been tracked or how it's been sent. The customer will get a message with a link to the tracking item and they can see it being tracked. So it's really easy to do. You've seen us create an item, you've seen us sell an item, and you've seen us send it out. I'm not going to wait a week to finish this video to show you it happening, but if you come to my training, I'll show you the cup and I'll maybe do a video on the information on how it looked when it got here.